Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of A/B testing your landing pages on Systeme.io. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, log in to your Systeme.io account using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, head over to the funnel section in your dashboard. Now, select the funnel you want to A/B test. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily do so by clicking on the Create button. Once you've selected your funnel, you'll see an option to edit it. Click on Edit to access the page editor. In the page editor, make any changes or variations you want to test. This could include tweaking the headline, changing the call to action button color, or adjusting the layout. After you've made your changes, it's time to set up the A/B test. Look for the A/B test option in the page editor and click on it. Next, specify the variations you want to test. If you made multiple changes to your landing page, create a variation for each change. Once everything is set up, click on Start Test, and Systeme.io will begin running your A/B test. Now, sit back and monitor the results of your test. Systeme.io will track key metrics like conversion rates and provide insights into which variation performs best. Once you've gathered enough data, you can end the test and choose the winning variation based on the predefined goal. And that's it. With Systeme.io's A/B testing feature, you can optimize your landing pages for better performance and drive more conversions. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Systeme.io for free.